Yan guys, look at the difference. Ang daming alikabok. So, ito guys, ang daming alikabok. Yan, mabuka yan.
Tell me pretty lies, look me in the face, tell me that you love me.
Do you need a light? Yan. Ito sila guys. Laki ng tubo. Nandito yung truck nila. Ang laki ng truck guys. Ayun. Yan ang truck. Medyo maingay dito mamaya kaya i-cover ang nangyayari sa paglilinis. Marami silang tubo. Ayun. May tubo na naman. Saan kaya niya dadalhin yan? Maraming gadgets na ilalagay. Mga ganito. Taas na taas. Ito, bukas na lang to. Ayan. Dami alikabok. Ayan, alikabok yan guys. Check natin. Ang dusty o dusty. Natin yung mga nilagay nila. Nilagay ng aparatos. Ayan. Ito, magkakaroon ng tubig dito. Hindi ko alam tubig ba ito. Ayan. Binuksan na lahat ng vents. Yung ito mga vents. Kailangan yan. Ito. Kailangan yata buksan to. Mga vents. Spray na yan mga yan. Is this a vacuum? Laki o parang anaconda. Yan guys. Yung silipin natin. Ang anaconda. Ayan. May snake. Anaconda. Magalaw. Guys. Ayan. Lolo-mulobo na yung ano. Mulobo yung bumubuga. Yung mga tubo, didikit nila yan dito. Ayan. Ayan. Maybe it's easier if you put it in the window. Like this. No? I can open the window.
It's okay.
So it's the same. Look at the difference. Ang daming alikabok. Ito guys, ang dami alikabok. Ayan, mabuka yan. Ayan, puro alikabok yan. Check natin. Wala nang ilaw eh, pero ang alikabok.
Do you want to see the difference right now?
So the difference is clean now. Yeah, the main floor is so dusty. There's lots of...
It's not gonna be any more beer here now, right?
Yeah. So your name is?
Guri.
Guri?
Yeah.
So he's Guri, he's the owner of the company. So I'll put the... You have a card?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm gonna put your card here. So it's the cheapest one in Alberta. Are you doing the... Just in Edmonton, around Edmonton?
No. It's in Edmonton, Beaumont, Leduc,
Oh.
St. Albert.
Around Edmonton.
Yeah, around the whole area here.
So, kung sino magpapalinis, around Edmonton area, Beaumont, Leduc, yun, meron silang promo ngayon, 30% discount. Siya yung may-ari ng company. Tapos, sabi niya, mag-subscribe siya sa channel ko kasi meron akong YouTube channel, di ba? Sabi niya, are you a vlogger? Yeah. So, sa mga taga-Alberta, ito pinaka-murang furnace cleaning. May 30% discount sila ngayon. Buga-buga muna. This after cleaning, wala ng dust. Thank you.
Promo, we are running it till the end of this month.
End of this month also. The promo is just end of this month. November until December, is it? Before December.
Yeah.
So they need to contact before. Yung makina nila, guys. May air gun sila, may air blower.
Sometimes people complain that these are having a low pressure.
But when you blow that one, it goes there.
No, it's not the same line. Under this tube, there are big wide lines, right? All these lines, they are connected to those wide lines. And my vacuum, it is connected to that wide line, so it is taking everything out.
All the dust.
Yeah. All the dust, sometimes twice of kids and all that stuff, right? Sometimes kids throw their toys into those vents.
Toys, yeah, toys. I think there's no toys in here right now. You recommend every 2 years. So guys, we need to clean the furnace every 2 years.
Now 18 years, right?
Not like this house is from
Yes, 2001. Next due date, so it means it was cleaned in 1999.
This
That's all the dust. And I will show you more there. Yeah, that's all a lot.
toy? It's a toy? Oh my god. So they put this one, I'll show it to my wife. Put this one. This is a toy from the vents, maybe. From the vent. See? Oh, it's from the aircon. Bubuksan natin to. Ito yung sensor light na binili natin. Automatic siya. Parang ano lang natin siya. Tapos lagyan natin dun sa pader para meron siya ng ilaw. Oh, tapos sensor light, maybe. Kita nyo yan, ha?